Are you up? Right. I've got one now that I'm going to address because I've had this a few times and I think it's just easier to just show your way around something new, right? Modern technology is fantastic. However, it's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. So I've got a brand new car here, 2025, brand new car, and it's lacking one thing that any driver sort of likes, you know, for the ones that check it anyway. So checking your oil levels become, in my opinion, a little bit harder because you're having to rely on a sensor and having to rely on looking at the dash. I'm not a mad fan. And I know there's a few people out there that think, oh, I just want an old mechanical physical dipstick. This might be the answer. Hopefully this helps. And this is solely for this engine, by the way, it's a 1.5. I'm going to spin the camera on now and I'll just show you what I mean. So looking at this 1.5 engine, it is just a standard 1.5 engine. But normally where you'll see a dipstick, that little fella's there now. Right, so they've done away with the dipstick and it's now in a sensor and it shows you on the dash the level. However, for me, there's no more reliable than old school mechanics, right? A dipstick, not just the one behind the camera, i.e. me, but an actual physical dipstick. So if you pop this little bung out, that's all it is, just a bung. That's not going to help you. For me, there's no better than just being able to tell the oil level straight away. Not wait 2 minutes, not have the engine warm. You want to know, right? Ta-da! Just a 1.5 dipstick, right? How hard is that? So a normal 1.5 dipstick, from a normal 1.5, sorry, for an engine that has one of these, you can still use an old school dipstick. Yeah, there's no better than actually physically being able to see it just like that. Whoop, done, sorted, rather than waiting. So the point I'm trying to make, guys, is if you can buy them. You can buy dipsticks, by the way, for 1.5s. You can eradicate the need for worrying about sensors. You can eradicate the need for having to wait. You can check it, and if you're an old school driver such as myself, and you're just so reliable, it's all you ever know, it's all you've ever wanted to know. It's just one of your checks that you do where you're not having to worry, right? And how reliable are sensors in these days compared to physical evidence of oil? Makes you wouldn't have done it, but problem solved. Just buy a 1.5 dipstick for the one without it. Done.